Is Ally Bank safe? A question that might be buzzing in your mind as you consider switching to this online-only bank. Let's dive deep into the world of online banking security and specifically Ally Bank's safety measures. In today's digital age, online banking has become a convenient and popular way to manage your finances. However, with the rise of cyber threats, it's natural to have concerns about the security of your money. Ally Bank, a well-established online bank, has gained significant popularity, but is it truly safe? Let's break down the key factors that contribute to Ally Bank's security and why it's a reliable choice for your banking needs. 1. FDIC insurance. One of the most fundamental safeguards for your deposits is FDIC insurance. Ally Bank is a member of the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, which means your deposits are insured up to $250,000 per depositor, one per bank, per ownership category. This means that even in the unlikely event of a bank failure, your money is protected. 1. OW.ly. OW.ly. 2. Robust security measures. Ally Bank employs advanced security measures to protect your account information. These include encryption. Your sensitive data, such as account numbers and passwords, is encrypted to prevent unauthorized access. Firewalls. Ally Bank utilizes robust firewalls to protect its systems from cyber attacks. Fraud monitoring. The bank has sophisticated fraud detection systems in place to identify and prevent fraudulent activity. Multi-factor authentication. MFA. Ally Bank offers MFA to add an extra layer of security to your account. This requires you to verify your identity using multiple factors, such as a password and a code sent to your phone. Secure login process. Ally Bank uses strong password requirements and secure login protocols to protect your account. 3. Data privacy. Ally Bank is committed to protecting your personal information. They adhere to strict data privacy regulations and have implemented measures to safeguard your data from unauthorized access, use, or disclosure. 4. Customer support. Ally Bank provides excellent customer support through various channels, including phone, email, and online chat. If you have any concerns or questions about your account security, you can reach out to their customer service team for assistance. 5. Positive reputation. Ally Bank has a strong reputation for being a reliable and trustworthy online bank. It has consistently received positive reviews from customers and has been recognized for its excellent customer service and innovative products. While Ally Bank has a strong track record, it's natural to have concerns about online banking security. Here are some common concerns and how Ally Bank addresses them. Phishing scams. Ally Bank warns customers about phishing attempts and provides tips on how to identify and avoid them. Malware attacks. Ally Bank advises customers to use antivirus software and avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading unknown files. Data breaches. While no bank is completely immune to data breaches, Ally Bank takes proactive measures to minimize the risk and protect customer information. By understanding the security measures implemented by Ally Bank, you can feel confident about using their services. Remember to practice good online security habits, such as using strong passwords, avoiding suspicious emails, and staying informed about the latest cyber threats. With Ally Bank's commitment to security and customer satisfaction, you can enjoy the convenience of online banking without compromising your financial well-being. If you're still on the fence about online banking, consider giving Ally Bank a try. With its robust security measures and excellent customer service, it's a reliable choice for your financial needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.